Hey guys, Gregthecarguy from Mazda Hyundai. This is our 2016 Mazda 3 GS gray in color. This one is pretty well equipped for your daily driver. This is the hatchback version as well. This one does come with the backup camera, the nice little dual exhaust. Coming inside, get your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have the cloth interior with manual seating. Coming in further, nice little shift knob for your navigation and your media controls. Also do get the heated front seats, nice 8-inch screen. You also do have your cruise control of your steering wheel, as well as your Bluetooth controls, and the mileage at 40,990. Coming to the back, power windows, power locks, seats fold down 60/40 as well, and you do have the center console for drinks and elbows. For more information, check us out at westedmontonhyundai.com. Give me a call or text 778-867-4734. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you soon.